Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing Ipsy. So in this box is not just Ipsy Plus, which you see the pink box, you know that's the Plus package. There's also the regular Ipsy and the Refreshments. I decided to do it all in one video this month. This is the November package. Because when I do the unboxings, sometimes I don't realize, because they put it all together, and I don't realize what's the Ipsy Plus and what's the Ipsy. So we're going to do the whole unboxing, and as we go through, we'll figure it out. You got it? And there's also some items from Refreshments. So let me refresh you guys about this subscription. This is a monthly beauty subscription. The Plus package is $25 and you get 5 full-size products. Then there is also just the Ipsy. It's $12 a month. It does come in a cute little bag. You do get a bag with the Ipsy Plus too. And the Refreshments is their monthly personal care, cruelty-free and vegan like subscription. Their products are really nice actually, and I like them. They do send this to me for review, but this is not an affiliate. I don't get paid for this. I just unboxed it and I love it. So anyway, and I was paying for it before they sent it to me, so there's that. All right, you open it up and inside you have a ton of products. We are gonna go right ahead and talk about the Refreshments products because I know what those are and we're gonna get them right out of the way. There's 3 here. First is the Pillowy Shave Cream. This is in Citrus Spritz. I don't actually use shave cream, and I think I said that before. It ends up, I just get like really bad razor rash anytime I use anything on my legs when I shave. I have to just use water. It's a weird thing. I don't really understand it. So I passed this off to a friend. She really likes it. So that's what I'm doing with that. I do like the package. It has holographic, which I think is pretty cool. Then we have the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. I still have the handle to the one they sent me before, but I'll show it to you guys. It's a super cute, if it's the same, which I'm guessing it is. My nose is just, oh no, it's different. Oh, look at this one, guys. Oh, it's pink, like metallic, and then it has the purple rubber there. There's 2 heads, and then there is this, which I'm guessing you put in your shower to stick it up. Oh, it's magnetic. That's really cool. All right, so there's that. And then, my eyes are itchy. We have the Refreshments Oh My Moisture Shampoo in Freesia Float. This is a new product. I've never seen this before. It's an 8-ounce tube, and it is in Freesia, so I want to smell it. I'm excited to try this out. Oh, it's so pretty. It smells like powder. It's really, really nice. Oh, I wonder if they're going to do conditioner too. Okay, I was just interrupted. All right, so now we're going to go into the actual box and figure out what's what. So the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag for this month, it's always a little drawstring bag. Has this like crown. What's the theme? The Royal Treatment. So that's the theme. And I love the blue. It's a very imperial feeling with the gold straps and like the crown. It's cool. Interestingly enough, the glam bag is green and it's like this cool velour with a gold zipper pull. And then inside it's kind of like a burgundy red. All right, let's pull out the items in here and see. There's too many for this to be just the Ipsy, the regular Ipsy, so we're going to figure out as we go along. This is from Sugar Rush, which is, I think, Tarte, right? This is the Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. Let's see what it smells like. It sounds like it's gonna smell really good, right? Oh, it does. It smells like Brazilian Bum Bum. Yeah, a lot. Like if you're into that, it's a little more mild. I actually like this one better. I don't actually like Brazilian Bum Bum though, so. All right, this is from Danessa Myricks Beauty Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color in Tiara. I have never heard of this company. So there's that. This is probably one of the full-size items. Lip, cheek, and eye. That's a lot of different. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a gold. Lip, though? I don't know if I would put that on my lip. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, yeah, girl. crumbs. I just did a Tokyo Treat unboxing with my daughters, and there's like crumbs on me. Oh, that's pretty, right? I like that. I don't know that I would use it on my lips, but you never know. Maybe the occasion would arise. All right, next up we have, this is from Sophia and Mabel. This is the Tinted Lip Oil, which I'm not going to open this up because I have a few lip oils already open, and when they go, it's like just like any lip product. When it's old, it gets yucky. So I'm going to keep it sealed. It does look like it has a pinky purple kind of a bright pop to it, so that's cool. I do like lip oils. I'm finding I really like them when I go to bed. All right, so then we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I do have this. I do like it. It's one of the products from Briogeo. They're either hit or miss for me. They're a little too mild. Like, they're made for like a different kind of hair type, but this one I like. This is a trial size, and so is this, so I'm guessing these are part of the Ipsy bag. All right, next up we have, this is from Il Makiage. This is the Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Dirty Talk. Oh, in Bella. So there's that. The packaging is, Il Makiage has just like the coolest packaging. Like, look, it's like the Il Makiage logo is like carved into it. It's like very sleek. And the color is very nice. That's beautiful. And like look at the, I don't know if you can see that, but the lipstick has like it has like a studded effect. Oh yeah, it's a very matte, like very pretty red. Like, it's definitely like a show-stopping red. I like Il Makiage. I don't know, man. There's something about that brand. All right, finally in the Ipsy Glam Bag this is the Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. I've never heard of this brand either, but I love anything that says luminizing, because I think it's just because I have such dry skin. I'm all about like lighting up my skin. If I can ever open it. Ooh. We're gonna put it over here. It's very lightweight. This is not like a dimethicone, like anything like that. This is a very lightweight primer. It does have a little bit of tackiness to it. It does, I am seeing though, well, you can't really compare it to that. I am seeing though that it does kind of give you like a dewier look. I wouldn't say it's like super glowy though. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm thinking that this is the product, this Vision Flush was the product that was supposed to be in our Ipsy Plus. So here are the other items. I'll show you guys. You can see them in here. First is up from Glossier. This is the Milk Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. This looks small though, doesn't it? All right. If I have to correct anything, this is definitely sample size. So I'm thinking maybe the Il Makiage was the full, also in the Glam Bag Plus. And this might have been a sample. Because this is a little small, but this is a nice product. I do like Glossier. I find that their products are really nice. They're just very nice. All right, I'm going to tell you guys about this. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Adds length and volume. I got this before in an Ipsy box. Maybe it was a BoxyCharm. Not sure. I gave it to a friend because at that point I had so much makeup. I just wanted to do a nice thing, and I made this gift basket for my girlfriend, and I gave her like tons of these products, tons of products in general that I just had, like that I just had accumulated, because they accumulate so much. And she came back to me and was like, that mascara is amazing. And I, to this day, I can't buy mascara because I have so much that I'm like, there's no point in me buying it. But I've always wanted to try it since she said that, and now I get to. So I'm super stoked that that came in this box. All right, next up is a product I'm super excited about. I love this brand, Yensa. I've tried their primer, came in one of my boxes. Their lip oil came in one of my boxes, and now it's the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask with 8 super orange essence. I love the orange. I love orange. You guys know that. So this is very exciting to me. I will let you guys know how that works for me. I have been having amazing skin lately, and a big part of that is that I have not been using a lot of skincare products. I have no idea why that's happening for me, but that's happening for me. And I figured I'd share. All right, our final item in the Ipsy Plus for this month is from BFF Cosmetics, or Best Face Forward. This is their balancing serum with AHA, BHA, and HA and niacinamide. Oil-free hydration, helps to balance oil production, prevents future breakouts. An ultra hydrating oil-free serum that helps to balance sebum production and maintain healthy, calm, and clear skin. I think for me, I don't know. I don't really understand my skin a lot. It's just so pretty. But that's a very pretty, I'm kind of on the fence about even trying anything new lately. Since my skin's just been so nice, I've just been, I'm working on a big video for you guys of all the redness canceling products out there. I know that sounds crazy. Well, at the drugstore, not out there in general. Because I got super addicted to the Dr. Jart's, what's it called? Cicapair. And I was using a sample, and you know, a little bit goes a long way. I had made up my mind about the product a few years ago when I tried it, and I was like, I don't like it. And then I tried it again just off a random. I was like, yeah, we'll give it a shot. And I was like, I really love this. But then when I ran out, I was like, oh, it's so expensive. So I went and I got every product I could find at the drugstore that cancels redness, and I've been trying them out, and I've been literally using just those: moisturizer, eye cream, face wash. That's it. Nothing else. And then makeup here and there. But like, my skin has been impeccable, and I don't know what it is about that. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm working on that video for you guys soon. All right, so to wrap it up, in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we have the Best Face Forward Balancing Serum. We have the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. We have the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. We have the DM Danessa Myricks Beauty Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color in Tiara. And the Il Maquillage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Bella. So that color is really pretty. In the Ipsy Glam Bag, we have the Glossier, what is this? The Milky Jelly Cleanser, which I'm actually excited to try because I like milk cleansers. The Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer, which is very nice. I do like it. I'll try it out. And then the Cake Butter from Sugar Rush. This guy from Sophia and Mabel, the Tinted Lip Oil. And then finally the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. Then also from Refreshments, there is their brand new shampoo, which I think is very exciting. Also the razor kit, which they have. You can buy all this. You can go on their site and find out. I think the subscription to this is like $10 a month, and then you can add on what you want. You can get it these sent, so you don't have to go out and buy like shaving cream or razors. Just have them sent to you, and that way you don't have to think about it. And you know, whatever. All right. So there is all that stuff from Ipsy. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.